Just a quick overview of AutomateMyTask. You can learn more about it at the link above my head. All right, in this video about AutomateMyTask, we're going to talk about selecting what type of mouse action you want to do. By default, when you first select this, make sure you activate the window, hit F1, move to, let's say I wanted to hit this save button, move away, hit F1. Now it's got the, I know it's a funny looking save button, but this should be blank until you pick something left, move, right. This is going to be the action that you do. So if I'm going to, actually, if I right click this, yeah, there is no action there. If I left click, it would try to save it and probably ask for my name. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll test it. Let's first display matches. I always like doing that. Then hit test, and it's going to trigger the save, and it's going to asking for the name of the file because we don't have a file name. It's an unnamed file. So I can middle click, but that I don't think has action that either, or right click, or just move to it. Also, I can choose here if I want a single, double click, or how many clicks. I think it's just really 1 and 2. It's the real options. And lastly, when we do this, we are actually sending a control click by default to see if we test it. Yeah, hey, it worked. It's still trying to do this. If that didn't work, and again, you don't have to understand the ins and outs of all this. It gets really complicated, but you can send an actual click. When you do this, and let's do a single click, it's going to move your mouse there to click it. So it literally moves your mouse there and then sends a mouse click over it, which will be more reliable on things. But if you can test it and it works fine with just the left click, without the actual click, I would just do the left. This is more of a control click. I think we send a actual click if it doesn't work, but we're not moving the mouse. We send it with the post message. However, you also might want to restore the position if you're doing the move, or even the left click. So let's say I'm going to do an actual click and I restore position. So when I test this, it's going to click that and it moves my mouse back here for me. So that's all about this mouse move. Thanks for watching. Cheers.